This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so what is Packer? Correct.
Correct.
So, so first thing is if you look at the packaging world, okay, there's a two kind of packaging. One is system packaging, another one is application packaging.
Okay.
Now, if I say system packaging, so we have a packaging for Windows, we have a packaging for Linux, we have a packaging nowadays. We see packaging for AWS, okay, packaging for Google Cloud, packaging for Azure, and many more. Okay, so these are the packaging which we need for the system. Packaging means here exe, RPM files, AWS AMI, Azure, machine image, all these things. Application packaging means tar file, tarball, zip
Okay.
file, and all, right? I think Vagrant package also we should say Vagrant box package, correct?
Correct.
So at a high level, there's a lot of packaging options are available for the system. So the question is, how do we create these packages through a streamlined process? Means through CI/CD or something like that, automated way.
Okay.
That is a question. That means how to create packages. Very simple. Create a package using code. That is a something which we have to do that. How to create a packages and how to one more thing which I want to use this keyword which is called you know how to create a packages, how to customize the package,
Okay.
customize a package using code, and how to archive a package. This is something these three questions which we are going to answer through Packer. Okay, answer is Packer.
Okay.
So what is Packer? So Packer is a tool which will create a packages. So if you look at this here, hmm. So Packer is a tool which will create a package. So how do we create a package? Then we have a one file which can be JSON or SCL file, and there we do have a three section of the code. Okay, build, provision, and post processors. Okay, so build means how to build the packages. So we have a builder. Let me write for my notes. So Packer we have three options: build, provision, and post processors. Okay. So this process define that how to create a packages. This process define how to customize the packages, and post processors define that how to archive. For example, this package is where you want to upload it or do something about it. Okay, so which are the packaging type which is supported in the Packer? It's a Hashicorp tool written in Golang. So here Packer builder. You see the list of builders which is available. See here. So you have a plugin based builder, file based null, custom also, community supported also. So these are the builders are available. Latest go for, yeah, it's the latest one. Okay. So let's go for plugin based. So look at this here. Uh, where is a list of it? Hmm. So there's a consolidated list I was expecting, but this page is not showing. Probably some other page will show me. Hmm. Let me use that. This is the one. So these are the list of supported builders are there. Some of them I think will be familiar. If you want to create a Docker image, or if you want to create a AWS image, Google Cloud image, Vagrant image, and so on. Okay, and this is the VMware also you have. So these are the images which is supported for that. Now the second thing is which we have is provisioner. Okay, so provisioners means in okay, Terraform is not done, right? So provisioner means you have some packages and you want to run some script inside this. Run some script. Okay, so and you want to customize it. You want to copy some files or something like that. For example, I'll tell you that there is a AMI image. AMI, you know that AWS, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you want to have a one AMI which is called source AMI, and you want to create AMI plus something, and that is a destination AMI. So you want to run some plus means some script, something you want to install it, something you want to remove it, and then destination AMI you want to create. Then
Correct.
you have to use provisioner. Okay. Simply what you will do, you will create AMI, create a EC2 instance
Okay.
manually. I'm saying. Then log into the VMs, modify the something which you want to get it done in the VM, and then create an AMI. So something you will do manually, but through code, how can you do that? So through
So,
code, you can do through provision.
like whenever we pull an image from Docker Hub, in let's say Ubuntu, uh, they they remove something, put an image there. That's correct, right?
Something like that, but here I'm talking about AMIs.
Okay.
AMIs means see AWS. So here, let's say this is the here some software is running in this AMI. This this virtual machines. So this virtual machines I created using certain AMIs, which is you may find somewhere here. Correct.
Yes.
Right now it's not able to retrieve. Okay. So I want to create a new AMI. So I create a VM. I modify the VM, and then after that I'll go here and create a new AMI image.
Okay.
So what you want to do inside that, that is done by provisioners. Got it? And then next one is post processors. Post
Okay.
processors is something after creating the image, what you want to do. You want to you want to
Validate.
uh, validate, you want to encrypt. Okay,
Correct.
so these are the provisioners actually. You can run any command shell script, puppet
Mm-hmm.
and all. Yeah. So just can you give me just 2 minutes? I'm just grabbing one call. Just give me 2 minutes.
This conference will now be recorded.
These are the supported provisioners. Provisioners means what you can do with the VM. So you can run shell script, simple one. Windows shell you can run also. If it's a Windows VM, you can run Ansible, Puppet, Chef. So I'll teach you Ansible. It's a pending topic. PowerShell, I think you understand, right?
Mm, yes.
Like like that.
I
So
do
these
not
are
have
the sub.
I do not have experience with PowerShell, but yeah, I mean,
Yeah, simple command, just PowerShell command. Okay. So this is a provisioner. Uh, Now post processors. Post process means what you want to do with that image. Do you want to upload it somewhere? Like Artifactory, simple. You have created multiple images and you want to upload to a Artifactory or maybe AWS. Okay, so it can be anything post processors. These are the post processors available. You can compress the file, you can checksum the file, and so on. You can upload to AWS and all. Amazon import, you can do that. So these are the stuff which we have. So Docker, you have multiple builders, multiple provisioners, multiple processors. Basically, how can you do through the code? So let's show you the demo directly. First thing, how to install Packer. I think that will not be a problem. So what you have to do, you have to download the Packer download, and because Packer is written in Golang, you can install in Linux, Windows, any version. You see here, these are the list of operating system supported. In Windows, you just download this file and set in the path. Simple. In the Linux, you do this one, and Mac, you do this one. So I have done it actually few sessions back. So let me show you. C and C and where is the tools locations? Hmm, here, and then Packer, which is here. So this utility I downloaded and set in the path. So if you see that environment path edit, here it is. C tools pack. That's all. So no need to install exe or something. Just copy and paste it. That's all.
copy
So,
and paste where, sir?
uh-huh.
Where do we copy and paste it?
Your voice is breaking for me.
No, where do we copy and paste it?
Anywhere. Download from here
Okay.
and wherever you want to copy it. I copied the C tools packer. That's all.
Okay.
And this path should be set in the environment I was showing you before that.
Okay.
Don't keep it this in the user directory. Keep it in some common directory like C drive, D drive, or something like that.
Okay, sir.
I follow C tools for all these tools. You also have one locations where you can install all the tools.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so after that, that is done. Now I'll go for workspace. So first I'll check CMD Packer is installed or not. Enter, and mine is installed. And these are the commands. Okay, very simple commands which you can check it out. So
Installed. How do
here,
you install in the sense the same thing? It's set environment part and everything. Correct?
Install means, yeah, that see, earlier used to be wizard sort of it. Now just copy the download the file from here
Uh-huh.
and put it in the path. That's all.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
You're getting confused.
Yes, but I mean,
I said download first
okay.
thing.
Mm-hmm.
Download, copy at certain locations like C tools vault. Mine is C2 vaults, which is
Okay.
here. Copy. I said download and copy
Mm-hmm.
in one of the preferred location, and this path set in the path environment variable. That's all.
Okay.
Got it.
Yes, sir.
So now these are the commands to work within Packer. So which is the command?
Now you are
So
in a
always
different. Now you are in a different folder, right? Rajesh all workspace.
I can be anywhere because I
Okay.
set in the path. No, this one.
Okay. Okay.
After setting up the path, you can run this command. See, why you set up a path? Why you set up a path? I set up a path because I should be anywhere, and I use this Packer, and Packer will know that this is the place and done it.
Okay.
If you don't want to set a path, then always you have to be in this directory. Correct?
Yes.
So that is the stuff. So now I'll have created one directory workspace or anywhere you can run the Packer. That's not a problem. These are the commands are available.
Okay.
So which command to start? So first thing, you want to download the builder. This is the one. So builders are like executables. Okay, you need to download any command which will help me to download builders plugins.
Sorry. Can you repeat the question, sir?
Any commands which will help me to download. Can you read this?
Build.
No. Build will build.
Init.
Download.
Init. Init.
Init. Yeah. Yeah. So this is the first command.
Uh-huh.
So when you write a code, you will run this command init.
Okay.
After that, you will validate your code is okay or not. So writing a code and then validating the code. Done.
Okay.
Third thing, if you want to see what are the list of builders you have installed, this command.
Okay.
And finally, you will do the build.
Okay.
If you have uh, older version of Packer file, you can fix command. You can use it.
Okay.
Okay. So these are the commands, version and all.
Can you show me an example?
Yeah, we'll show you. So here, this is the file. So now, what you are doing first to decide. So I am doing creating one image in AWS.
Okay.
Okay, one image I am doing. So first thing, this part of the code you'll have to, which will help you to download the plugins. Now we'll say, how do I know that? So this code you will get to know through builder itself. So let me go to that builder, and where is the AWS builder? I'm not finding today right documentations, but Packer AWS builder. Okay, here it is. Oh no, no, no. Packer AWS builder. Ah, this is the one. So I want to hear and depends on that what you want. So I want the EBS. builder. So here click on it. Hmm, this all okay, it's okay. So here it is, you see. So how to use plugin? Version 0. It's the older one, okay. And GitHub Hashicorp Amazon, this is the one. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So here, this way, you can call the builder. This is the older one, you can call the new one also, like this. You can create this version. So now this is the code for, forget about this code right now. So this is the code for downloading the builder. So what you'll do? So you'll run packer init after that. Mm, done. So it was already downloaded last command. So it's there. Now what you have to do? Second step you have to do. You have to decide that source for this. What is the source and what is the destination you want? So that is where here source image. So you see here source image we are deciding here. So what is the source image? So this is my key and this is my secret key. So let me set it up. Uh, this is my key and this is my secret key. Okay. So this is done. This key and secret key will help me to access the AWS from my machine. After that, what is the AMI name you want? So AMI name you want is learn Packer Linux blah blah blah. So can I go to that EC2 and go to the US wasted 2, US wasted 2, where is that? Here it is, Oregon, and go to the AMIs. So this AMIs I'm having, I'm deleting it, okay? Or I'm using it. Okay, let's use this one. So learn Packer Linux AWS Redis. So this is the AMI name. Here you see that, correct now?
Yes.
And from this AMI, how do you filter it? So AMI name is this one, and you are filtering it based. This is the filter. So filter means, uh, see, this is the owned by me, private name. All this filter is there. Owner name is, owner account ID is. So actually, you know what? This AMI, let me filter it. So this AMI which I'm showing you is not the owner actually for this. So you can delete mine actually, deregistered AMIs. What you can do is search for owners, owner public, enter. So this is the owner. Now I'll put this AMI name, the filter. My God, it's not the private image owned by other. So I have to use any other AMIs, no problem. So what I'm going to do, because I deregister, Mm, so here, EBS, most recent. That guy might have deleted his AMIs, so no problem. I will get the new AMIs. So go for this, launch. So here you have a multiple AMI, right?
Correct.
So here, this is the AMI ID, which is, I have to change this code. Uh, hmm, hmm, hmm. This is the owner, and this is the name of AMIs.
Okay.
So I just want to modify. Okay, so published is the owner. Uh, Here is the name. So copy. This is a EBS here.
Okay.
VM virtualization type. This is the filter. Now AMI name, owner ID is correct. Username is Ubuntu, that's correct. The only thing is I'm looking for it. Okay, so AMI name I'll leave it blank, or one more try. So one more try, and that is browse more AMI. This is the AMI ID, and I'm selecting this. I should get a name here. I think this is the name. Platform architecture visualization. This UI got changed. That's the reason all these problems come. So let's use this one, this AMI ID, and I'll go back a little bit here. AMIs, search for, this is a place. Here, this is the name. So name each. I got such a large name. Okay. So this is the one. Yeah, I think this one and this one was matching. Yeah. So that's all. So AMI name, everything is done. Now what I want to, this is a source image. Now I want to create a new AMIs, and then for that I want to build it. Okay, you see here. So here you are building source image, and here this is the source.amazon.ebs.12, which is this one, and here you are adding the provisioners. Look at this. So provisioner shell, setting up the variable, and using the provisioner shell you are running some of the commands here. Getting my points?
Yes.
Now what I will do, this I am going to run it. Okay, so let's do that. So what's your command? Packer. The command which you have is build. So build file. Wait. Hmm, the command.
You have wrong. You have the wrong letter. B.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So yeah. So now what will happen? Okay, so there's a problem here. It called correctly, but it says some build did not complete successfully and had error.
Yes.
So here it says learn Packer Ubuntu error AMI name, this one used by an existing AMI. So used by existing AMI. Hmm. So I have used the source AMI and build. So this AMI, okay, this is my bad. Here the name should be uh, Ramu Kaka. That was so. hmm. So what was happening? This was a wrong assumption. So this is the source image.
Mm-hmm.
Here you have to give the name which you want to create it.
Okay.
Okay. So that was the things. So now what will happen? The process will be very simple. Using this AMI, one VM will be created. Let me show you. So see here. And this VM will do some these changes. Okay. And
Okay.
after this changes, and after this, you will have one results AMIs. Okay. So see here, installing Redis. So it will take 4-5 minutes. Let me pause this recording. See, it's running all this command, update command. Update command means this one. Now it's done. Now it'll be doing this one here. See here, Redis installations somewhere. Now stopping that instance and refresh this. Say it's gone, deleted. Why? Because new instance will be a new image will be created. So see, it stopped. Why they stopped? Because after this doing the changes in the VMs, if you want to create a very healthy AMIs, you have to stop the instance. after stopping it. Now they are creating a new AMIs, Ramu Kaka, and you should go to here and you see here this is the image. You will get a Ramu Kaka owned by me. See here, got it?
Mm-hmm.
So this is the process for the packer.
Okay.
So what you do all the time, whenever you want to create an image, you use this packer, this tool, and always init and build. That's all. So now I'll show you some of the sample code uh, for some of the popular ones. So this is the Vagrant code. So Vagrant packer example for Vagrant. Vagrant, the one which you learned first time, right? So this is the tutorial. See here. This is the builder section, and when you run init and sorry, not where is that? This is the one. This is the code and command. You know the build. This is a different command actually. For see here. This is the provisioner. And this is the builder for Vagrant, and after that, this is the provisioners again, and this is the command. Got it?
Yes, sir.
This is the new command actually. This is the older command. This is the new command.
Okay. What?
So this code is important. So you see here, this is the SCL template. Earlier we used to write in JSON also.
What is
So
HCL?
here HCL means coding standard, Hashicorp configuration language.
Okay.
So in any code you write for the HashiCorp product, basically you write in SCL only, like Terraform code, Packer code, Vagrant code. There's specifications.
Okay.
So this is the variable, this is the source, this is the builder, simple one, and inside the builder you have provisioners. You are running this script. Now let me show you the code for Docker builder. So see here, this is step by step. This code is important. So this is the builder, this is the source image, and this is your target image. There is no provisioners here.
Okay.
So you can add a provisioners also. There is no code as such. Here it is. Ah. So here it is adding the provisioners. You are doing something, adding environment variable and provisioners, creating some files. And this is the final code. And again, command will be same actually.
Okay.
So this is the I showed you the demo of AWS. Let me see here. It's completed. And now if I see if I can use this MIs for the automation purpose. This image can be used for automation purpose anywhere.
Okay.
Understood?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a packer. That's also a small tool. You should practice, depends on this which builder you want. So this is the builder. Left side you see these are the builder supports are there
Mm-hmm.
and provisioners. So most of the time you use AWS only or a Docker.
Okay.
Uh, if you are in Azure, then you have to use Azure Builder. So I think yeah, this one will help you. This is the documentations. Some examples I need. So directly go for Microsoft website. Hmm. So this is a JSON format. I need
Mm-hmm.
a HCL. This is the one. So here is a source, okay, and this is the builder. This is a provisioner. That's all. In command, you know that very well. Got it.
Yes.
So you have to practice this one, and whenever you want to create any image, don't go manually. Use a packer for the same.
Okay.
Any questions?
No, sir.